Hi, I'm Nico from Acknowledge. Now, what is Agile Development and how can we apply it to Crestron programming? So let's start off with an example. We're doing a residential install with typical aspects. We're doing lighting, AV, shades, and security. In a classic development approach, often referred to as a waterfall, you would have one analysis phase, design, development, and test phase for all of these aspects combined. So what happens then is, after 50% of the work is done, is when you start developing, and even later in the process, you're for the first time actually showing stuff on a touch panel and including your customer with it. What we see in waterfall, classic development approach, is that by the end of the project, there's the discussion about scope. What has to be delivered, or what did the customer expect it to be delivered? So what happens then is that there's opens up discussion around budget, which pushes back deadlines. Okay. In an agile development process, we're going to split up that functionality into smaller pieces of functionality together with the customer. We're going to do lighting, and for lighting alone, we're going to do an analysis phase, a design, a development, and a test phase. We are going to deliver that lighting bit to the customer and involve him in that development team, in that decision-making process. And when the customer is fully satisfied and he had the opportunity to come up with new features to maybe expand on that lighting bit, then we're going to progress to the next stage, which might be shades. And again, for shades, we are going to go over all these phases and include the customer in that delivery process. So what we achieve with agile development in a Crestron environment is that by the end of the project, the customer was so much involved in that scope that he's satisfied and actually know what has to be delivered, and there's less discussion about budget and deadlines. Thanks for watching. See you next time.